If you are watching this video, you are probably in need of a quick loan and you have probably also exhausted all of your options. One last one that you might have is a cash advance loan. Now, I'm going to be the first one to tell you that a cash advance loan is a very high interest loan and you should only take one out if it is your last option. Still, if you need money now and you need it quickly, this is a great way to get it. Luckily, you can get a free quote at websites like loanmonkey.net. The quote is no obligation. It takes just a few minutes to do, and here's how you do it. First, go to loanmonkey.net. The address is in the comment section below. When you get there, you're going to click on the amount of money that you need, say $500. Then you just enter your email address, your name, phone number, street address, time at residence, whether you're a homeowner, if a car that's paid off or not, you in the military. It's going to ask you for your date of birth, driver's license number, income type, how much money you make, name of your employer, how long you've been in your job, your employer's phone number, just a bunch of basic stuff which just takes a second to complete. How you're paid, how often you're paid, your next pay date, and then it's going to ask you for your routing number for your bank. If you get approved for a loan and you decide to accept it, this is how your lender is going to deposit the money into your account. Click on continue and you will start the loan process. If you get approved, you will be matched with a lender and you will get the lender information. You can review the contract, decide if you want to take the loan or not. If you do, accept, and you'll get the money as soon as the next business day. If you decline, just walk away. There's no obligation. You're under, like I said, no obligation to take the loan whatsoever. So it's no cost to you. A cash advance may not be the right choice for you, but it could be a good solution. The good thing is it doesn't cost you a penny to find out just what you can get and what it's going to cost you. So why not give it a try?